Hello Pisces, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the first 15 days of September. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if the reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the name sign. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what's there for Pisces. The Two of Swords, the Tower, and the Ace of Pentacles, the King of Swords, the Ace of Wands, the World, the Eight of Pentacles, the Knight of Cups, and the Empress. Okay. Okay, so let's see what are the messages from this deck for you, the Pisces. Guidance from the angels for Pisces. So Pisces, you are very closed off, and you don't want to deal with anything basically. And this is see, I'm getting two things here. One thing is that you are closed off and guarded because something has happened which was unexpected, and you are sort of upset, and you are taking that time off and you are spending time alone because, or you're not investing in whatever it was because something has happened. That is one thing. Another thing is that something happened because you didn't pay attention to it, and either you didn't have, you ignored something basically. You didn't see that coming, and that is why that event happened. Whatever it was, whatever unexpected has happened, so it's sort of interrelated, that you are closed off because of something unexpected which has really upset you, and it has happened because you were blindfolded. Okay, you didn't think before acting, or maybe you were sort of you didn't see it coming. Basically the thing is that you didn't expect it because you didn't see the clues and the signs which were coming, which were there. You ignored them perhaps. If you would have paid attention to the signs and the signals which were coming in the situation, or you were not that overconfident, perhaps this would have been avoided basically. That's what I'm trying to say. So anyway, you are choosing to spend time alone. You're taking your time. And here with the Ace of Pentacles, you want a new beginning. You want a new beginning in your life, which gives you stability, which gives you something new which you really want, which gives you stability. It's a new beginning. Definitely you are looking for a new beginning. And here with the King of Swords and the Ace of Wands and the World card, what I feel here is that because you are closed off, you are sort of, you perhaps you've learnt a lesson, and that is a very beautiful thing. So you want a new beginning, but you've learnt your lessons. And with the King of Wands, you are keeping things at a distance. You're keeping people at a distance. You are not in a mood to deal with any bullshit, basically. And you are sitting in a pretty powerful position in that way, because okay, now I'm confident, I know how to go about with it, I will not take any crap. And that is your energy now. That's what you are doing, because you are manifesting something new. That is what you want. You want a new beginning. Definitely you want a new beginning in your life, whatever it is. Or maybe you really want a different sort of a life, because here with the World card, I see there is a completion of a chapter and a beginning of a new chapter. So it can be a new beginning in a relationship, it can be a new beginning of anything, but it is something which you are looking forward in a very, very passionate way, and you want it to be stable. And here with the World card, you are manifesting it. So it can be that you are manifesting a different lifestyle for yourself, a totally different way of living. Perhaps lifestyle doesn't mean luxurious way or that way, but maybe suppose you decide, okay, now I have to stay alone, and I don't want to deal with this. That's what you are manifesting, perhaps. Okay, maybe you have worked on yourself. Basically the thing is, you want to live a happy life now. That's what I'm trying to say. You want to live a happy life. You want a new beginning. You don't want to deal with anything negative, and new beginnings are coming your way. It's not that they're not coming your way. You want them, and there are opportunities which are being offered to you. Okay, it's not that they are not being offered to you, and it is a very wise thing that you are very selective in choosing them. Yeah. Okay, so you are very selective. Sensibly you are choosing those new beginnings and deciding what to do, because this is something which is happening, which is going to change your life. Okay, yeah. So definitely new beginnings. That's what you are manifesting. That's what you want. They are perhaps being offered to you also, but you are choosing them wisely and sensibly. Okay, and there is definitely a new chapter which is coming on in your life, a different cycle of life perhaps. And here with the Eight of Pentacles, it may deal with somebody else, it may not deal with somebody else, it may be all on your own, that you are moving ahead in life in a different way, and that's how you want to manifest it. Or it can be in a relationship. Whatever it is, it will be different for different people. But yes, definitely new beginnings, and you're working hard on those new beginnings. Definitely you're working very, very hard, very, very focused. And here with the Knight of Cups, if it is emotional, then you are perhaps making a move towards towards that, in that direction in which you want that emotional fulfillment. And with the Empress, it's all about again a new beginning, abundance, new beginning. Definitely all new. Definitely one chapter of your life is over. You are writing a different chapter of your life. You are moving in life in a different, uh, either a different version of yourself, I can say. Either this is what you are looking for, a different version of yourself, and that is what you are working on. Or there are definitely new beginnings which are coming in, which you are working hard on, and moving towards in that direction, which is going to give you a lot of abundance, lot of happiness. So it's all about new beginnings which you are manifesting. It can be a new version of yourself, or maybe actually something is there in your life which you really want to manifest, which you really want, and you're working hard on it, and it is there, it's coming in. With the Five of Spades over here, dealing with somebody, a tough opposition, there's a struggle. Maybe this was something which you were dealing with somebody who was an equal opponent, parallel energy, and that is why you didn't realize what their move will be, and that is why the Tower came in. You didn't know that they'll react in the way they have, and that is why this Tower has come up. And here with the King of Clubs, it's the Magician of this deck. So definitely again the new beginnings. King of Clubs is all about new beginnings. Definitely new beginnings. You are manifesting new beginnings in your life, and that is what you want. That's what I'm saying again and again. You are in the mood of really wanting something totally different. You have the skill, it's all about transformation basically. That's what I said. It can be a different version of yourself totally, or a different chapter of your life. It's something major, something totally different from what it was before, as it seems. Number 15 or number 6 may be of some significance where you choose freedom. Sometimes you may feel as though your way is blocked, but often that is just an illusion. You could free yourself from the obstacles that you are so focused on by choosing a different path. Turn your thoughts away from negativity and instead envision endless other possibilities you might act upon. That's what you're doing. You're leaving behind this towered energy and manifesting in a very new way, and that's what I'm being drawn to over here. That you are deeply thinking, you're totally in a recluse, you're not even talking to people, you're not even discussing this change, and you are thinking it in a very deep and a very wise way. As to, yeah, you're giving it a very deep thought, okay, and a sincere thought, sincere and a deep thought as to how I have to do it, how you're supposed to do it, how you're supposed to manifest it, and you're determined to do it. That's what is the right word which I'm getting. You're determined to make this change, and you're just thinking about how to change it. You just want this change to happen, whatever it is, whatever this achievement to happen, whatever this is, this new beginning, you want it, and you are just giving it a deep thought and a profound thought, and you are determined to write this as your fate now. You're choosing it. So Pisces, that's all I have for you. Beautiful reading, and hope it resonates with most of you and hope it helps. Please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.